Hey y'all, how's it going? Alice Monique with TexasGalStudio. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we are going to work on making chorizo and eggs. I'm using chorizo from San Manuel, and eggs are, my backyard chickens are making so many eggs right now, so they're from my backyard. Very, very yummy. We are going to add a little bit of oil, not too much, because this chorizo has enough I guess that the grease or fat content that it's gonna be just enough for frying the eggs. So I like to crumble it and make it as small as I can. Doesn't have to be perfect, just crumbling the sausage on the oil. Make sure the pan is nice and hot. I just want to note the time is 10:53 when we start cooking the chorizo. You want to mix around the chorizo, move it around a bit. It will be popping, so if you want to lower the temperature, you can. It's just like bacon. It'll start, sizzling, popping all over the place, so just be careful when you are cooking chorizo. It's time to start cracking the eggs. I like to put mine in a bowl first to make sure I don't get any eggshells in my pan, and then I'll put them that way in a bit. I like my chorizo to be very well cooked, very crispy, so that's why I'm letting that I put the burner down a little bit, so I'm letting it simmer a bit. So we're adding the eggs into the pan. It's 11:01, so it's been about 8 minutes that the chorizo's been cooking. And here I decided to add a total of 8 eggs. So right here, I love to wash the eggshells that I did use and crumble them up and give them back to my chickens so they can replenish their calcium intake. It's 11:04, time to make the tacos. I will make my kiddos first, put them to the side, and then plate mine and my husband's, just to wait for my kiddos to wake up because they're still sleepy heads. It's a Sunday morning, so we let them sleep in on Sundays. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick under 15-minute breakfast, chorizo and eggs, a staple in our house, a traditional Mexican taco. I hope y'all try this. y'all have a great day. Be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye, y'all.